MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and reliable residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, keeping your home warm and comfortable during cold weather. If your furnace is making strange noises, blowing cold air, cycling frequently, or not turning on at all, our skilled technicians are ready to help. We diagnose the problem quickly and perform expert repairs using quality parts to restore safe, efficient operation. Our goal is to extend the life of your furnace while improving performance and lowering energy costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the residential furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. How quickly can I get residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania? When your furnace stops working, quick service is essential. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides prompt residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania to restore heat as quickly as possible. We understand that furnace problems can occur unexpectedly, especially during cold weather. What are common signs I need residential furnace repair? Several warning signs indicate you may need residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Uneven heating, unusual banging or rattling noises, short cycling, increased energy bills, or a furnace that won't turn on are common indicators. What is your residential furnace repair in Pottstown, Pennsylvania? Our local residential furnace repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/